Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Explore with Harish, your perfect travel buddy on YouTube. Today we are going to show you another weekend getaway for family and friends. We are embarking on an exciting adventure to a hidden gem of Eastern Ghats in Andhra Pradesh, located in Chittoor district near Puttur, the SadaSiva Kona Waterfalls. We reached to SadaSiva Kona's base camp. We have parked our vehicle here, but remember, park at your own risk. There are some clever monkeys around, so don't leave your belongings in your vehicle. So at the base camp, there is only one shop for snacks, tea or coffee. So make sure to carry everything you need for the trek. This stunning waterfall is about 150 kilometers from Chennai. It is just 3 to 4 hours drive. You have two options to reach this natural wonder. Either you can trek or you can do off-roading. The off-road path is completely different route. If you choose off-roading, brace yourself for a bumpy ride. You can hire a tractor or a jeep. It may cost 5 to 10k for a round trip. We have started our trek in the evening, planned to stay overnight, and we also carried a tent along with our baggage. The total trek distance is around 7 kilometers. Ignoring the distance, in my point of view, the trek difficulty level is easy to moderate. If you are planning to stay overnight, start your trek early so that you can reach before dark. The trekking route is not at all difficult as there are few arrow marks painted and we were just following the arrow marks indicating the trail. We have reached halfway through. We came across Sri Agaya Lingeshwara Temple. This site attracts pilgrims from all over Tamil Nadu. People visit here during festivals like Maha, Shivaratri, Vaikunta, Ekadasi and Mondays of every Kartika month. About 3 hours of trekking, we reached our top site, the resting place. It was pitch dark when we arrived, but for a better viewing experience, I captured some daylight shots. We found group of locals were staying for a couple of days. As a routine, they are cooking, playing cards and having fun in the falls. It was a chilling experience when we refreshed ourselves at Ayyavari Falls. The water flows from the root of the tree and is said to have medicinal properties. After having a yummy homemade packed food, we set up our tent and spent the night under the stars. We had great sleep, we packed our things and we were excited to continue our journey. We are heading towards Ayyavari Falls. It is short 15 to 20 minutes walk from Ayyavari Falls. I hope you remember this location, and yes, this is Ayyavari Falls. We had a shower last night. This place is scenic as we could see this temple built between two mountains and the falls is flowing right next to it. This Ayyavari Falls is a stunning unique view where the water flows through a network of roots. We are excited to walk towards Ayyavari Falls. And here is the path we came across. This Anjaneya statue is our first checkpoint. This trekking route is very easy and it offers a great stunning view. We almost reached to our final destination, Ayyavari Falls. Just before Ayyavari Falls, there are two temples, Rajeshwari Amman Temple and Sri Kamachi Amman Temple. This place is dedicated to SadaSiva, an incarnation of Shiva and his wife Kamachi. Finally, we have reached most awaited Ayyavari Falls. The water in the pond is so crystal clear and it is incredibly tempting for a swimming. Have you guys noticed something in the pond? Yes, bro, you are right. It is a snake. We saw a snake swimming in the pond. We were waiting for a few minutes for this to leave. Looking at this, I feel like I am so blessed to reach here. People believe that this waterfall have a healing property due to the medicinal herbs and plants they grow in this forest. As we go in, this pond will go deep between 5 to 10 feet. We are waiting for people to leave so that we can have some private time. As we wished, we got a chance and we enjoyed here more than an hour. Let's wrap up our journey from SadaSiva Kona Waterfalls. We hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful place with us. If you did, please subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Thank you for watching and see you on our next exploration. Bye bye.